Hello, good morning. This is again your teacher Hope, and I am your Montessori teacher here in China. And this is the live update of my conference here in Hangzhou. This is AMS Asia Montessori Conference in Hangzhou. So today is day two. I'll give you a very quick recap of what happened yesterday. Maganda naman yung sessions yesterday. We're given some freebies and then included na yung meal for this conference. Lunch is included. So this is my name tag. Taran. And then included na yung meal ticket, lunch ticket. Uh, Yun lang that din naman. Pero okay lang kasi here in China, makakapag-order ka. Like yesterday, I ordered coffee for my teacher. And sabi niya, sige teach, punta tayo. Ay, hindi po, i-deliver po dito mismo sa hotel. So, natuwa naman si Miss Mitch, ganun. So, today, breakout rooms na ang mga sessions. So, there are lists of conferences and speaker, mini conference or mini talk. So, pili ka doon kung ano mong bet mo papasukan. So, um, now I'm thinking of joining the parenting or IT. Ang akin lang is like how to handle parents. It's either pasok ako doon or sa early childhood na breakout. So, yun. Join me in my day two in Hangzhou.
Day 2, nasa conference na tayo ngayon. Marami ng mga participants. Kasi may mga participants that they are showcasing their products. And let's see if my friends are here.
Room number 3 for the
Hi! So, day 2 of the conference is done. I'm going to meet a friend. Actually, follower ko siyang natulungan ko siya before sa mga vlogs ko. So, I will meet her. And nagbigay siya sa akin ng address. Yun na nga, blurry. Okay. Nagbigay siya sa akin ng address and meet a point. So, I'm on my way to the nearest subway. Babike lang ako para faster. Malapit lang naman, parang 12 minutes walk. So, i-bike ko na lang. Pero ang worries ko, baka masira yung bag ko ito, Pero parang malinis naman to. Sige, let's try. Ay, malapit lang pala ako sa Hangzhou East train station. So, kung mag-subway ako or mag-high speed train ako papunta Beijing, dito yon. Pero, that's 4 hours na travel. So, magpa-plane na lang ako because plane is only 2 hours and I paid around 600. Pero kung sa high speed ako, parang 800 ata mababayaran. So, lipat tayo. Hello! Karalapasan natin sa subway. At ganito yung outfit na natin. Kasi umaambon. So, I'm going to meet a friend. Mag-church pala muna kami. Which is very nice. Kasi tomorrow, hindi ako makapag-church. Kasi nga, I still have my last day for the conference. So, punta tayong church.
Also, and wonder is yours, Almighty Father, forever